Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the fixed temperature on your LuxPro PSP511LCa thermostat so that the system stays at one constant temperature instead of following the programmed schedule. So as you can see, this is LuxPro PSP511LCa thermostat. So on your thermostat, first of all, you need to make sure that the thermostat screen is active and the system is also powered on. If the display looks dim or blank, you can just simply check the batteries before continuing. Once the screen is working properly, you need to move the system switch to either heat or cold depending on what you want to use. After doing so, you are going to see these types of up and the down arrow buttons. So you just have to simply press the up and the down arrow buttons in order to choose the exact temperature that you want. Now, as you adjust the setting, the thermostat is going to display the new targeted temperature over here on this particular screen for a few seconds before returning to the room temperature display. So you need to simply choose a comfortable temperature before enabling the hold feature. After doing so, what you need to do next, you need to simply just press this particular hold button once. When the hold is written over here on this particular screen, it simply means that the thermostat is going to maintain that particular temperature continuously and it will ignore the normal daily schedule. Now, if you want to basically, if you don't want to do it, you can just simply press the hold button again, and this way the hold indicator will be disappeared, and this way the thermostat will automatically resume the normal scheduled operation. So that's how basically you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.